Hi guys, I'm Paras and we'll be learning Java from Java Programmers Hub, Instagram, Facebook, or Threads account you can follow and continue to learn as we grow together. So, the creation part we'll be covering today. Java was named as Oak in 91 and was conceived by James Gosling, Patrick Norton, Chris Rath, and Frank Mike Sheridan in Sun Microsystems in 91 and was renamed as Java in 95 with the public announcement in spring 95. It is said to be programmers' language since it was designed, tested, and refined by real working programmers. It is continuing to evolve and enhanced day by day by real working programmers at the end of our technology. And we'll continue to learn how to create and design the Java programs. Thanks for watching.